Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I sound very monotone, but that's because it's 12:53 p.m. and I woke up 10 minutes ago. So yeah, there's that. But anyways, thanks so much for tuning in to my channel. In this week's video, we will be covering how to do a everyday makeup look. So before we jump right in, I'm just showing you a few pictures right now. Hopefully you guys are also seeing the pictures because this is my first time doing a voiceover, so go easy on me, please. So yes, right now I'm showing you a few pictures of how the final look turned out. And I wear this look on the daily. I usually have the time, or take the time rather, to do this look before I go to class, or if I just go out to run errands or stuff like that. So right now, hopefully, I hope, there's a lot of hopes in that sentence, I hope you guys can also see the products that I'll be using in this video today. I will be using the Sephora Nude palette for my eyebrows and just the brow bone highlight, as well as Fake Lash Mascara by Femme Couture, AOA Concealer, Honeybee Gardens Eyeliner from my Waterline, Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick, and eyeliner. So those are the products I'll be using. The brushes that I will be using are just a regular eyeliner brush that came with the eyeliner in the recent pick, and the Sephora 2-in-1 blender and eyeliner brush as well, but the eyeliner brush I will be using for my brows, and that brush specifically came with the palette. So those are the two brushes I will be using in today's video. So let's just jump right into the intro. Alright, welcome back, and right now we are taking the flat edge brush from the Sephora palette and we are dipping that shade into one of the eyeliner shades in the palette and just starting to fill in my brows. But before we do that, I just like to line up both the bottom and tops of my brows so I know where I am filling in the pigment. And I'm using this eyeliner shade because using it as an eyeliner, it is quite powdery and flaky. So for the everyday use, instead of using a pomade or pomade, whatever you call it, or a brow pencil, I just like using a powder. So I consider it a brow powder. You can consider it an eyeliner if you'd like, but just my opinion. Alright, 20 minutes later and we're finally done with the first brow. No, honestly though, I'm looking into the video and it only took 2 minutes and 38 seconds. I'm just lying. I'm sorry. But anyways, now I am taking concealer and I will be arching the brows to make them look a lot better and fiercer. I mean, this isn't really required for an everyday makeup look, but for me, I just like something to stick out and, you know, grab someone's attention, if you will. So right now I just put the concealer on my brows and I'm taking the blending side of the brush and I'm just blending that concealer right into the brow shape or line, whatever you call it. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just using that and blending the concealer right in to make my brows a bit more higher, sharper, and just fiercer in general. Now, sometimes I go with the Benefit Highbrow Pencil instead, but lately I've been using concealer because I think it achieves the look a bit more better than the highbrow pencil. But if I don't have time to blend, I'll definitely just go in with the highbrow pencil or just not go with anything at all. So yeah. Let's just cue the music because I don't know what else to say. Now that I have two brows done and look a bit better, I am taking the highlighter shade from the Sephora palette and just putting it on my brow bone to highlight that area of the brow to make it look more lifted and just beautiful in general. Yes, I know I go a bit ham on the highlighter even though the camera's not picking it up. I also realized that if you use concealer, the highlighter sits better on top of that because the concealer is a bit tacky, so it helps to keep the highlighter in place. Alright, next I'm taking the Honeybee Gardens eyeliner pencil and just putting that on my waterline. I promise you it does not hurt. It just takes it takes practice to keep your eyes open while doing your waterline, but I guarantee it really does not hurt at all. Alright, next I will be doing my eyeliner. Now, eyeliner is something I actually do every day. The brows, I'd like to mention, I only do when I have time. So, brows only happen once in a while. But anyways, I'm doing a cat eye look, so I start from the middle of my lid and then I just go outwards in a curved shape, and then I just look where the curve ends, and then I try to create a curved triangle, if you will, from the bottom, if that makes sense. I'm not good at explaining it, but hopefully you can realize what I'm doing while watching this video. And then I just fill in the inner corner of my lids first, and then I start to go outwards, filling in the triangle. And yes, I take a lot of time with my eyeliner as well. That's, compared to the brows, probably less time, but it takes more time in general to just fill it in and get it to the specific darkness I want it to be, if you will. I don't even know if that makes sense. I'm sorry, like, I'm so tired right now. Okay, I didn't realize I was actually gonna film doing the cat eye on the other eye as well, but okay, so even though you can't see it as well on this side, I'm basically doing the same thing. So yeah, cue the music because I don't know what else to say. Alright, right now I'm going in with the Fake Lash Mascara by Femme Couture. Got this from Sally Beauty, and yeah, it works pretty great. Before I used to use the NYC Voluminous Mascara, but I think they discontinued that because I don't seem to find it anywhere. So I just go in with the Femme Couture Fake Lash one. This is about $10.99 at Sally Beauty, but if you get it on sale, it's only $5, so it's a pretty good deal. So I'm just putting that on my lashes. I don't think I curled them, but usually I curl my lashes first and then I mascara to make it look a bit more longer and faker, if you will. Alright, next I'm taking the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick and just applying that on my lips. Keep in mind I do put on Vaseline a little, not a lot, just a little before applying the liquid lipstick, as I think it glides on a bit better and it keeps my lips from drying, because liquid lipsticks tend to dry out your lips and make them look chappy as the day goes on. So I just apply a tad bit of Vaseline, not a lot, just a little. So don't be afraid to apply chapstick or Vaseline, whatever you use for your lips to keep them moisturized. That is the final look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As usual, every single product that I used is located in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and if you didn't, leave a dislike. I really don't care, but if you want to see more content, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.